Hello all, my name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to clear the auto format in MS Excel. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all the updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's get into this. So this is the MS Excel file guys, like which we have already created the auto format in our previous video on how to create the auto format in MS Excel. Now let's see like how to clear the auto format in a very simple way and in a very shortcut way, so that it will also reduce the time consuming and we can perform the operation in a very simple way with a shortcut method. Okay, first we have to select all the columns for which we have to clear the auto format. So after selecting all the columns, now we have to press Alt EAF. So once we press Alt EAF after selecting all the columns, now we can see whatever the auto format we have created in our previous video. Now it's been cleared and we will get back to our original Excel page. Okay, so that's all about this particular video guys, and hope you like this particular video, and please do subscribe to my channel. See you around. Thank you. Bye bye.